Welcome. Are you ready? Florida Highway Patrol troopers were patrolling eastbound on Memorial Boulevard when they observed a black Camaro traveling at high speed in the opposite direction. The vehicle matched the description of a vehicle that had recently fled from Auburndale police and was known to have changed license plates.
189, make sure your trigger 107 to where.
The chase ended when the suspect ran a red light and crashed into two vehicles, causing serious injuries to the occupants. A search of the vehicle yielded drugs, weapons, stolen license plates, and tools commonly used in auto theft. It was confirmed that the Camaro had been stolen from Miami. The Florida Highway Patrol attempted to stop a silver Toyota Corolla for a speeding violation on SR 618 in Hillsborough County.
The 255 southbound, Starmy 94.
Number, do you need 1018?
For now.
Sure.
55, I'm coming. He's running.
Somewhere, which way?
When police initiated the traffic stop, Smith first pulled over but then fled in his car. When police initiated the traffic stop, Smith first pulled over but then fled at speeds in excess of 100 miles per hour. His erratic driving indicated a possible intoxication. The pursuit led to a successful pit maneuver by the officer on Gibsonton Drive, where the suspect car was stopped.
Pit. Put your fucking hands up now!
440, we have
fucking hands up!
You want it to come
Put your hands up, I'm gonna shoot you in the head! Yes! I don't give a fuck where you're at, don't move!
The subject refused to exit the vehicle, and the officer had to pull him out of the window. He was taken to the ground and arrested without further incident.
Figure 1013.
Keep your fucking hands up! Keep your hands up! You're gonna follow instructions.
440, you're 1013.
Get out! Get out!
Get out of the car. 440.
Don't fucking move! Don't move!
Trooper Lasso Silva and the Florida Highway Patrol's anti-crime unit assisted the Broward Sheriff's Office in the apprehension of a suspect with multiple felony warrants.
Northbound coming to Sunrise. Looks like it's gonna go eastbound. Let me talk. Looks like it might go eastbound on Sunrise. 23.
I'm right behind them.
Backed up on the light on 16.
I'm right.
Follow.
I'm right there.
I'm at HP right here behind me, and they're coming back up.
Oh, I see the car. Hey.
Pickup truck's coming up to it now.
The suspect was driving a black Mercedes SUV and was spotted traveling eastbound on Sunrise Boulevard.
Stay right there. We're coming to you. We're moving eastbound.
Alright. Captain, wait for Potato, right? No, I'm ahead of you guys. Yeah, I don't know where I put the captain down. Captain, stop it.
Go for it.
Alright.
Espérate. Where you at, Bodeon?
I'm at 9th. I'm right behind. I'm right in front of you guys. Okay, come. Hey, I got a...
Light it up.
Watch out. It's right there. Hey, I got a perfect PC and cover tag this way. Hush. Watch out. There's cars right there. Quick.
After a failed PIT maneuver by Trooper Cantelar, the driver fled while a passenger took over the vehicle and continued to flee.
Traffic at 14.2 hours.
Westbound on Sunrise, approaching I-95. To the other side. Put him to the other side. Be careful, be careful.
Careful!
If there's any additional units in the area, line 95 is
I got you. Hey, they're still going! Go out the window! Go out the window!
just permission to put
Coming by now.
It's running. Northbound.
Is it northbound?
The Florida Highway Patrol attempted to stop a blue Nissan Altima with illegal window tint in Escambia County.
What are your charges?
The driver then fled at over 100 miles per hour, running multiple red lights and nearly causing a collision.
Down 29.
During the pursuit, a plastic bag was thrown from the vehicle and was later found to contain marijuana, cocaine, and fentanyl.
Martha's King. Name is Highway.
113, 1146. You got anywhere close to him?
The chase ended with the suspect crashing into multiple vehicles and stopping near a residence on East Hernandez Street.
Signal 4, signal 4, signal 4.
Copy, signal 4.
You better not move! I'll shoot! I'll shoot!
Where'd you crash out at?
12th and Cross, 12th and Cross.
Down on 90 at the First Farm Road.
A silver SUV was traveling 78 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone on US 90 in Gadsden County.
For some idea, unit 1033 traffic on channel 1.
When police officers attempted a traffic stop, he fled at speeds in excess of 110 miles per hour and swerved to thwart pursuit efforts.
Yeah, 127. Oh, that's the 123.
As the suspect vehicle turned onto Barack Obama Boulevard, he lost control and crashed into a fence.
He is now southbound on Rock Brock Boulevard. Brock Obama, he's crashed out.
He fled on foot after the crash, but was apprehended by Trooper Cabe.
He's now southbound on Brock Boulevard. Brock Obama, he's crashed out. He is now southbound on Brock Boulevard. Brock Obama, he's crashed out.